I came to Restoration Chiropractic in my 3rd trimester of my pregnancy because I was having pretty severe back pain. The pain was in my lower back, and it was to the point that I couldn't really sleep or anything like that. They weren't even open yet, and I sent Leah an email, and I was like, when can I get in for my first visit? So I was here, I think the day that they opened, maybe one of their first appointments, and I was very thankful to be here. So at my first visit with Restoration, they did the scanner along my spine, and they kind of gave me my analysis, and then after that they told me what the best plan of care would be for the remainder of my pregnancy, and then we agreed that I would come back in after giving birth to my daughter and I would get a new plan. I felt a little bit apprehensive to be receiving chiropractic care, especially under pregnancy, because it is kind of controversial to some people. I was surprised that I didn't feel any pain during the adjustment or after the adjustment. I just felt good. So pretty much immediately after that first adjustment, I don't know if the baby was positioned weird and she was just right along something, but right after that first adjustment, it was like day and night for me. So I was under a pretty intensive care plan during my pregnancy, and I came 4 times a week until I gave birth. Dr. Taylor and his team have become more like a family to us in the last 2 years of care. We formed some of our best friendships through care here.